Okay, so we had some new arrivals come in last night, so I'm gonna go and check now. I think one of the things I always talk about in a training program, any good horse training program, is that there's really three elements that you need to work on, and one of those elements is that horse's level of confidence and focus and relaxation, kind of the mental elements, if you like. Trying to get that horse figured out mentally to where he's comfortable mentally. The second element is your ability to control and direct that horse's body, so some body control. And the third element is about putting it all to work, putting together the mental and the physical and doing something with your horse, giving it a purpose. And the best purpose I've found, and the most enjoyable, is these little things here. And this is what we picked up last night. We're going to add them to our little band of 2 that we had over from last year, and we're going to have a couple more coming in at some point, but at the moment this is what we're up to. So we've got these little girls, they're kind of friendly. And I think that, you know, people ask me all the time, what's the point of working cattle on my dressage horse? Well, I don't know, it's fun, for one thing. But I'm gonna do some filming later on today with a couple of clients that are here on a training week, and kind of show you, what the horses get out of the experience. So anyway, I wanted to introduce these 4. You'll be seeing a lot more of them, I should think. I think the key thing is what we're doing when we're working the cows, and this is what, you're not trying to create cutting horses. These horses, this isn't going to be their job. What we're trying to do is put all the stuff that we've been working on through the week into practice. So we talked a lot about how we get that horse confident and focused and relaxed, and exercises that we might do to achieve that end. And we talked a lot about the body control exercises, especially working on keeping them straighter, keeping them more forwards, and how we might direct them physically, trying to control those different body parts. What we're doing now is we kind of give that some purpose. We're trying to give a reason for that horse to go, a reason, really challenge that level of confidence, and hopefully develop it and build on it. What I want for you to really focus on with your horses is making sure that when you finish this, they feel good about what they did. They enjoyed what they did. Now, horses love moving stuff around. You see them do it with dogs in the paddock or each other in the paddock. They've got that natural herding instinct, and they do enjoy moving these cows. But what we're trying to achieve really is to build confidence and to further develop that ability to control your horse's feet. Isn't that your horse is scared of cows. The problem is that you haven't got enough control of the horse's feet to be able to help it when it gets scared. Same way, it's not a problem it's scared of plastic, or it's not a problem it's scared of cones. It's only a problem that your horse is taking off sideways in traffic or running off down the road. If you could control its feet a little bit better, then you'd be able to help it. And a lot of times, like we've spoken about with these exercises, in gaining control of the horse's feet and developing that horse level of confidence, it's scared of less anyway. You know, it kind of realizes you're on the same team, and it doesn't feel like it needs to escape and run back somewhere else or a place of comfort. It can find that comfort in you and what you're offering. Does that make sense? It does make a lot of sense. Horses aren't scared of cows. Horses just don't know what cows are. If they know it's not going to hurt them, if they know it's not threatening to them, if they know it's a vegetarian that just like they are, then they're not so worried. If they know they can move them, there's no fear of them. What they don't know is that they can move them. They don't know it just eats grass just the same way. Then they don't know it's not going to hurt them. That's what you have to teach them. Horses aren't scared of anything more than the unknown. They're scared of getting hurt. They're scared of dying. They're not scared of plastic or cones or traffic or trailers or cattle. As long as they've had a positive experience with them and we've allowed them to realize that it isn't something to worry about, then it's not a fear. You know, they're able to accept everything that doesn't hurt them, essentially. Yeah. It's just how do we go about showing them that it isn't, because they are going to start from a place of that's going to kill me, I'm going to run away from it, not from a place of, oh, I wonder if that's going to kill me, let's go and check it out and see if it does. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in attending one of our cow working clinics or horsemanship clinics, make sure you visit GuyRobertsonHorsemanship.co.uk. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, comment and like underneath.